Hello class, this is Dr. Paz again, and I wanted to provide this video with additional resources because several of you have reached out regarding the Excel project. So I'm back in my course and I'm back into entering into Pearson My Labs, and I wanted to bring to your attention some additional resources that I've included to help you along with the project. So first and foremost, I wanted to add that I created this item right here, this chapter 1 project videos. And if you preview this, you will see that basically it gives you like a student user's manual for the project. And so you'll go through that and then you can see Excel skill videos. And so here, if you click on this Excel skills videos, it'll show you in the multimedia library how to find the videos, like saving a workbook, arranging it, all these great tools. And I'll go over that as well. Then what I did here is provide you the step-by-step solution to the two problems that were assigned and you'll see that here, that were assigned for the Excel problem. So this will take you step by step and show you what you need to do. And then so you have the answer. And then if you look at the Excel videos, then you also have how to perform those functions in Excel. So there are definitely resources there for you. So I'm going to click OK. And so this is a chapter 1 Excel project videos, and it's not graded, but it is assigned, and it should help you complete your Excel project. Then the other item I wanted to show you is, let's go back to the main menu so you can find videos on the Multimedia Library. So if you click on Multimedia Library, let's just look at chapter 1 now, and then I would select all and just hit find videos. And then you'll see you have several options here. So if you look at basically the Excel projects, here's the student manual, which I've already included for you, but you'll see several videos. And then as we start working more involved in them, we'll do the same thing, let's say for chapter 2, and then you'll see just also videos that help you along. And so the PowerPoint, we have flashcards. So there's several items that you can use, transaction analysis, that will help you along. And then here you see, try it, Excel Exhibit 2.1, Exhibit, preparing the worksheet. So definitely take advantage of these tools because several of you have reached out. So there are tutorials out there to help you, and my accounting lab is full of just ways to help you. So I, again, go back into like chapter 1, just select all, and then you'll see here, here you have the introduction to the financial statements, the accounting equation, and since you're doing the balance sheet, this will be quite helpful. So, and I also gave you the solutions in our other Excel 1 project, videos, and so you should have what you need to complete the assignments. Thanks for those of you that reached out and told me what you were having trouble with, because then I was able to create this video for you to hopefully help you. Hope that helps. Thank you.